Divide your material into 90-10, then you place on your head and make some foundational pleats. Once those pleats has been made, well laid and well aligned, cross at the back and secure the shorter part by knotting and securing the excess. Now this is the 90 part, the longest part of the material. I'm going to make a rough pleat and make sure it is well laid as well. In this place, I'm going to get an office pin and secure it down right there. I'm going to pick it with the previous one I made and grab it with office pin. So I have this. The excess that I have left at the side, I'm going to continue with the pleat, fold into two, grab elastic band, and I'm going to use it to replace my hand. I'll do this twice. So this is the first one, and I'll be making another pleat gently like this. Once I made the pleat again, I'm going to fold into two and grab it with elastic band again. So I'm going to have two parts being folded up like this. So this excess I have left, I'll direct one angle to the back where I'll find a way to either by dipping in or using office pin to secure. I'm going to cover up the middle parts very well and use my office pin to secure it down. Now coming back to the front that I have, I'm going to dip my hand into the hole I made, pull the fabric out gently like this, and it's going to give me a round shape. So after pulling out the first one, it's the second one I'm going to move to. I'm going to dip my hand into it as well, pull the fabric out and make it to form like a round shape. This is going to take a little bit time. You are going to be very careful so that you achieve this shape you are seeing on the screen. So you go to the back, the excess you have, arrange it with your hand, grab a pin and secure it with any of this shape you made at the front so that it will be together. So I still work on the other one and the final look is going to be like this. So guys, this is a very simple one. You can try it for your next occasion. Thanks for watching.